Many people try to eat healthier, yet still wake up feeling tired, heavy, or inflamed. They choose foods that look good on paper, but something still feels off. The body feels sluggish. Digestion feels slow. Energy rises and falls unpredictably. It can be frustrating when you are doing your best and not seeing the ease you hoped for. But sometimes the most powerful nourishment comes from simple, natural foods that work with your body instead of against it. In this video, we will look at 7 power fruits that support steady energy, smoother digestion, stronger immunity, and a more balanced metabolism in a gentle, everyday way. Fruit number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often called a superfood for a good reason. They support your cells, your immune system, and your metabolism all at once. They are rich in antioxidants that help protect the body from daily stress, and their natural fiber helps slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream. That means smoother energy, fewer cravings, and a calmer digestive rhythm. Blueberries also support brain function, which can help with focus, mood, and mental clarity. Think about Lauren in Minnesota. She felt like her mornings always started with that foggy, heavy feeling. She wanted something simple that could help her feel more awake and supported. Instead of adding more supplements or complicated breakfasts, she began adding a handful of blueberries to her morning yogurt. It was a small change, but she noticed something. Her mornings felt lighter. Her focus lasted longer. The sweetness felt natural, not overwhelming, and it gave her a sense of freshness that set the tone for the day. Blueberries do not require preparation or effort. You can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, protein, smoothies, salads, or simply eat them by the handful from the fridge. Fresh or frozen, both work the same. The takeaway is this: one small handful of blueberries a day can help steady your energy, support your brain, and bring more ease into your daily rhythm. A gentle, powerful start. Fruit number 2. Apples. Apples bring a steady kind of support. Their natural fiber, especially the pectin found in the skin, slows digestion and helps your body release sugar more gradually. This means your energy rises gently instead of spiking and crashing. Apples also help support gut health, which plays a big role in digestion, mood, and inflammation. They are one of those fruits that feel simple, familiar, and comforting, yet they provide deep nourishment in the background. Think about Eric in Vermont. He used to grab pastries or sugary snacks when he needed something quick. They gave him a burst of energy, but the crash always came shortly after, leaving him tired and unfocused. One day, he started packing a crisp apple and a small handful of nuts instead. It was such a small switch, but it changed his afternoon. His hunger stayed calm, his mood felt more balanced. He didn't feel that desperate drop in energy anymore. The apple gave him natural sweetness, fiber, and a satisfying crunch, while the nuts helped keep him full. Apples are one of the easiest fruits to include daily. You can slice them, eat them whole, bake them lightly, or pair them with nut butter for a grounding snack. The takeaway is this: one apple a day, especially when paired with protein or healthy fat, can help support steady digestion, calm cravings, and bring smoother, more reliable energy into your day. Fruit number 3. Oranges. Oranges bring brightness, hydration, and natural vitamin C that supports your immune system in a gentle daily way. They help your body handle stress more smoothly by supporting the adrenal system, and their natural sweetness comes with fiber that slows the release of sugar. This makes oranges different from juice. Juice moves too fast in the body, but the whole fruit offers steady, calm energy instead of a spike. Think about Amanda in Florida. Her afternoons always felt heavy. She would feel her energy dip and her mood grow dull. She wanted something refreshing that did not leave her feeling weighed down. She began peeling an orange and eating it slowly during her afternoon break. The citrus fragrance filled the room. The taste was bright and real. Within minutes, she felt awake again, but not jittery. Her mind felt clearer, and her body felt hydrated instead of sluggish. That small daily ritual helped her afternoons feel smoother and more manageable. Oranges are easy to add to your day. You can eat them on their own, slice them into salads, or enjoy them alongside breakfast. The key is to eat the whole fruit, not just the juice, so your body receives the fiber and steady release of energy. The takeaway is this: a fresh orange brings hydration, immune support, and gentle nourishment that helps your body stay balanced and your mood stay light. A simple, bright way to refresh your day. Fruit number 4. Strawberries. Strawberries support heart health, steady blood sugar, and natural digestion. Their fiber helps slow the movement of sugar into the bloodstream, and their vitamin C supports immune balance and collagen formation. The natural sweetness feels satisfying, so they can calm sugar cravings without causing a crash afterward. Strawberries are also mostly water, which helps hydrate the body in a gentle, quiet way. Think about Michelle in Arizona. She often wanted something sweet after dinner. It was more emotional than physical hunger, a moment where she wanted comfort at the end of the day. She used to reach for cookies or chocolate, and although the taste was enjoyable, the heavy feeling that followed wasn't. So she made a small shift. She began slicing strawberries into a bowl and letting herself slow down while eating them. The sweetness was light and fresh, not overwhelming. The craving softened without guilt or discomfort. Over time, this simple evening habit became something she looked forward to. It was sweetness that felt good, not draining. Strawberries fit easily into daily meals. Add them to oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie with protein, slice them into salads, or keep them as a gentle after-meal treat. Fresh or frozen both work well. The takeaway is this: strawberries can satisfy the sweet part of you, while still supporting steady energy and gentle nourishment. A soft, refreshing way to bring comfort into your day. Fruit number 5, avocados. Avocados are often thought of as a vegetable, but they are actually a fruit rich in healthy fats that support brain function, cell growth, and long-lasting energy. The creamy texture comes from monounsaturated fats that help your body absorb vitamins from other foods. These fats also help steady blood sugar, which means fewer cravings and smoother hunger rhythms throughout the day. Avocados support heart health and digestion without feeling heavy or difficult to eat. Think about Jordan in Texas. Lunch used to leave him feeling hungry again far too soon. He would eat quickly and get back to work, only to feel his energy crash an hour later. He began adding half an avocado to his lunch, whether it was on toast, in a salad, or simply sliced with a little salt. The difference was noticeable. His hunger softened, his focus lasted longer, and the afternoon slump became less intense. It was not a dramatic change. It was a quiet one, but it shifted the way his entire day felt. Avocados are flexible. You can spread them on bread, blend them into smoothies, dice them into salads, or pair them with eggs. They bring a gentle fullness that lasts. The takeaway is this: adding half an avocado to a daily meal can help steady your energy, calm cravings, and nourish your body in a smooth, supportive way. A simple fruit with a comforting, grounding presence. Fruit number 6, grapes. Grapes offer natural antioxidants that help protect your cells and support circulation. They contain polyphenols that assist the body in managing inflammation and supporting heart health. Their natural sweetness is comforting, and when eaten in moderation and paired with other foods, grapes can provide a gentle, enjoyable boost of energy. But the key is how you eat them. Eating grapes slowly and mindfully helps your body process their sugars more steadily, rather than all at once. Think about Heather in Pennsylvania. When she felt stressed in the afternoon, she used to reach for candy or cookies because she wanted something quick and sweet. The rush felt good for a moment, but the crash came soon after. One day, she replaced that habit with a small bowl of chilled grapes. She ate them slowly, one at a time, rather than in handfuls. The sweetness was real and refreshing, not overwhelming. She noticed her cravings eased, and her mood felt more stable. It gave her the sense that she was choosing comfort that supported her rather than working against her. Grapes are easy to include as part of a snack or meal. Pair them with nuts or cheese to slow digestion and keep energy steady. The takeaway is this: grapes can be a supportive, sweet, refreshing fruit when eaten slowly and paired with a source of healthy fat or protein. The sweetness becomes steady, not spiking, bringing comfort and calmness to the moment. Fruit number 7, bananas. Bananas offer natural carbohydrates that provide steady fuel, along with potassium that supports muscle function and heart rhythm. They are comforting, familiar, and gentle on the stomach, which makes them useful on days when appetite feels low or digestion feels unsettled. The key is how you pair them. When eaten alone, bananas digest quickly, but when paired with protein or healthy fat, they release energy slowly and steadily. Think about Daniel in Ohio. His mornings were always rushed. He would grab a banana on his way out the door, thinking it was a healthy start. But by mid-morning, hunger hit hard, and his energy dipped. It felt like the day controlled him instead of the other way around. Then he tried something small. Instead of eating the banana alone, he paired it with peanut butter or a handful of nuts. The feeling changed. His energy stretched longer into the morning. His hunger felt calmer and more predictable. The banana became a steady beginning instead of a quick spike. Bananas are versatile. Slice them over oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie with protein, pair them with yogurt, or enjoy them with nut butter for a grounding snack. The takeaway is this: bananas can provide reliable, gentle energy when paired with a source of protein or healthy fat. They support the body with warmth, steadiness, and comfort, turning a simple fruit into a foundation of calm and consistent nourishment. Common mistakes. Many people either avoid fruit entirely because they fear sugar, or they eat fruit alone without any balance. Fruit is not the problem. The way it is eaten matters. When fruit is paired with protein or healthy fat, it digests slowly and provides steady energy. But when eaten on its own, especially first thing or in large amounts, it can lead to quick spikes and drops. Another common mistake is expecting one big change to transform everything. The real strength of these fruits comes from small daily consistency, not perfection. Gentle, repeated choices are what shift how your body feels. Bonus tip: pair your fruit with something grounding, a handful of nuts, a spoon of yogurt, a slice of cheese, or a couple of seeds. This simple pairing slows digestion and helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. The energy becomes steady instead of sharp. The sweetness feels satisfying instead of triggering cravings. You do not have to change what you are eating, just how you combine it. One small pairing can turn fruit into long-lasting calming nourishment. Conclusion: you do not need complicated diets or strict rules to feel healthier. Fruits like blueberries, apples, oranges, strawberries, avocados, grapes, and bananas can support steady energy, calmer digestion, and a lighter, more nourished feeling when included daily. The key is gentle consistency and mindful pairing. Choose one fruit to begin with and let it become a simple part of your rhythm. Small steps done every day have the power to shift how you feel from the inside out. Your body responds to care. Let it happen slowly, steadily, and kindly.